I want to be open to you. I'm considering a divorce.
It can't
That is
happen.
what today.
God forbid. It can't happen. The devil is a liar.
Just let God forbid.
The devil is a liar. God will save this marriage.
That is to you, no.
I'm telling you, the devil will not succeed.
It's too much. It's too much for me.
I will win this battle. You see, I will win this battle. The devil is a liar.
No.
Don't even think of it. Have I ever cheated on you?
No, I'm tired.
Have I ever cheated on you?
You've never cheated on me, but I'm not happy in my relationship.
That is the only point we can divorce. Yes.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy in this relationship.
Because you don't want to be happy.
That's what I mean.
You don't want to be happy. Hey.
No.
It is you who doesn't want to be happy. Don't I do it for you?
It's too much for me.
Don't I do...
Aha, put a pause, papo hapo. We are back with the greatest news that you don't want to miss this time. Imagine you can buy yourself airtime through Lipa na M-Pesa. All you have to do, guys, fika hapo kwa paybill number, andika 263263, and kwa account number andika nambari yako ama nambari ya beshte yako. And the best part of it, guys, is that it cut across all networks. Ikue Telcom, ikue Airtel, ikue Safaricom. And isitoshe, hata kama una kakiru, unaweza fulizi hiyo kitu mazee. Nyonga hiyo kitu, man. Sasa ni niaje mkubwa. Pole sana kwa kusumbua. Nilikuwa naomba tu favor moja, ndio nilikuwa nauliza watu huko side. Sorry? Nilikuwa naomba tu kama mnaweza niokolea hata lunch hivi. Nimekwama, nimejaribu hata kupigia watu simu na kuuliza. Nimekwama ndio ile siku. Najaribu tu kuombaomba watu wako willing. Nimetokea tu issue kidogo. Sasa hivi nifanye nini? Kama naomba State side ya Githurai, sio nimekuwa nikitembea hivi nikiomba watu.
Auendangi church, umejaribu kupigia hata pastor?
Mimi sikuzaliwa Kakamega sana.
Watu wasali wangu kwa kanisa.
Okay, nilikuwa nakaa na auntie yangu. Kama wamekosana na auntie yangu sasa. Ndio wao ndio wameniweka hapa Nairobi, lakini hata kurudi nyumbani. Sina wazazi, lakini
Nairobi kama una job
nile walinieka ni wao walikuwa na niti. Wametokea issues fulani zile tu za huko. Sasa nililala tu kwa street
so unajua hapa pia ni barabara, so you actually you are not in a position maybe to have that cash kind of thing, and you know, we are just going maybe to
mwezi niokolea hata kama ni so, hata kama pesa kidogo tu maybe itani. Tafadhalini tu nile naomba. Ukiona mwanaume anakuja kwa
tumpe hii affair itatutembea. Sasa hawezi lala nje.
do things.
Acha tumpe hii affair. Fadhali tutembee.
My wife is
Songwe na gari.
No. Tumepatana kwa barabara. Wacha
tuone kama niko na kitu.
Sasa nikisonga nione. Hata sijakula kitu. Niko vibaya. Sasa zingine unaenda kuomba mtu anakuambia vile uko smart. Sasa ni nguo tu zenye nilikuwa.
Haujakula?
Sijakula, niko tu sasa. Unajua pia huwezi gongea mtu mlanga atadhani wewe ni mwizi na ni Nairobi. Thank you sana mami.
Barikiwe.
Lakini ni prank ndio ile kamera, lakini mnaweza niache tu hiyo nikule tu. Mko vipi? Nataka mwevu lakini mko na roho safi. May God bless you 10 times. May God bless you.
You never know where luck may come.
Ama mshaipitia the same situation?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is the truth.
No wonder, ni kama mko na experience. Unajua, unaona mic ndio hii, lazima ningeificha na simu, but I'm glad.
Yeah, I came to Nairobi a long time ago, and we really felt it. Very many people, almost out of 10, you find 9 people have gone through exactly what you're saying.
Hey, thanks.
Not in a bad way, but that is the reality.
Mnaweza tu nifanyie favor moja. Najua mko na raka and it will be so bad nikiacha watu kama nyinyi badala ni kujeni tu hivi gari nataka kusonga hivi. You just say hi, we tell you the channel and you just tell people one thing.
We were on our way, so I don't know.
Unaona, this channel is like church. At the moment unakimbia, unaacha mambo mazuri. There are people to be addressed. Over 300,000 people are watching you right now. Nataka tu waambie something.
Are you serious?
Then, hey, it's a big channel. Ndio nataka kuambia. Alafu it's something. Nataka pia encourage watu wengine.
You accept that?
But you don't forget tulikuwa kwa njia kwenda kanisa.
Ni ile actually what I want you to do ni kitu mjaribu tu mwambie watu 1 2 3 si points hata mingi and then mwambie wa subscribe and then we can tell you the nature of things we do because hata huwezi tamani niende tu niweke video yako na ujui ni wapi.
Because of time
I'll be very brief.
Yeah, please.
Because very brief sana.
Yeah.
Very brief sana. Hamwezi kuwa na roho safi hivi na niwache hivyo surely hata watu wanafaa wa knowledge.
Unajua venye to approach we thought yenyewe you are really
tunaweza hata simama hata tusiende mbali sana hapa iko sawa. Mko na roho safi. Tusonge tu hivi mkubwa. Nimamia hapo kando nataka tukae na straight line na nyuma kidogo ndio tuonekane.
So you say we are talking to people, which people?
People. Unaona kwa this channel it's called Comrades Flavor from the word comrades. Comrades hapa comrade hapa inamaanisha family unity. One person for another. Tunasemanga you have to check on your brothers. Juu saizi vile tunaongea so much is going on. Watu wanakufa depression, tuongee ukweli. Watu wanapitia vitu mingi, maisha imekuwa ngumu. Like sure, it's very tough.
It's very true. Life is very difficult. Like right now you see people are going through a lot.
Na wanasema checking up on your friend ni kitu important. Ndio maana tulikuja na hii channel. We are trying to create awareness for society. Actually, its main aim ni to sensitize the society as much as possible. Unaona? As you see at our neighbors, those are fun based.
Okay.
So we are trying as much as possible to fikia watu. And when you help one person, two people umesaidia. And that's why it's a verified thing, so even the government is aware of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's something verified.
See,
so
then
see, it's a Kenyan thing. Mlishajaribiwa World Coin?
No, I refuse. I totally refuse to.
It totally something to do with sensitizing. Kitu inasaidia society. We create your talks. Mnatupatia advice. Alafu kitu sijui nyinyi unajua nyinyi na mimi ni kama tuko generation moja. Of course I view as my elders na ile respect. But ukiangalia the current generation, many people are going astray. Tuongeni ukweli.
No,
so we must give them pieces of advice. That's the bit. Unaona hizi vitu kwa ground zinafanyika. So Comrades Flavor mimi nao naitwa Big Man Steve. Ndio tu ni jina name Steve tu. A very good mtulivu person, but I took breakfast. Msijali. Msijali.
Unatuongelesha hapa na kumbe hata hujachukua breakfast venye unasema.
Nimekula breakfast. Na hata mimi siwezi chukua pesa ya mtu. Ukiona mtu akona roho safi unakubali tu.
Sure.
Actually because of that I even owe you some heavy lunch.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Mko na roho safi sana.
Asante.
May God bless you.
Thank you so much. And God will bless you too.
That money if God can cube it. Kuna square na kukube. Sasa ipige time raise power 3 hapo juu. Tafadhali mkwe na mingi sana.
Sure, thank you.
Wow.
We really appreciate.
This is a family.
Yes.
This is a family.
Do you know what I always pray? In future nikuwe kama nyinyi. I've never pictured myself nikuwe mkubwa. Do you have kids together?
Yes.
Oh wow, we are a family of 2 kids.
2 kids?
Yeah, we have 2 kids.
How old?
Our first one is 11. The second is 7 years.
Hey. So technically naongelelea watu wamekaa kwa ndoa, si ati watu wanajaribu.
Oh my friend, we've been in the relationship for the past 10, 11 years, some kind of
10, 11. Mmeenda 1 mkapita. 2 mkapita. 3. Here you are. Probably mtafika hata 70.
No problem with that.
With God we will.
Let me ask you, what's the secret? Nianze na mama. Wanasemanga the woman is the foundation.
Ni God. I can't say anything apart. Ni Mungu ametupitishia. I think ni alitupatanisha, then he will be there until the end. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
One secret that you can reveal to men. You tunataka notes. Samu unasoma kitabu gani?
Yeah. Yeah. You know, in a relationship, the moment you put God first, everything will be okay for you guys. And therefore, it's just a matter of understanding one another. You see, like my wife over here, 10 years is not a joke in a relationship. Yeah, that's not those are not just numbers. Yeah, it's a long time. And that's why I appreciate her and I love her so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see, he hasn't even told me when we
So I should be coming always here.
Yeah, you should be coming up.
Nasikia men are shy.
Yeah.
You know, men when they are in love, hawaisemi tu ovyo ovyo.
You can say to somebody who is you are so much close to. You understand? Yeah, you are somebody, you can tell that to somebody you are so much close to. And life moves on.
Honest question.
Yeah.
20 years down the line, mkipicture 20 years the young you, 20 years the young.
Yeah.
Did you ever see yourself mkiwa hapa?
No.
Acha tuanze na mimi.
No. Like my dream was to nimalize shule. I stand self-dependent, you see. Nifanye vitu zangu. I had no idea of marriage in my head, but my grandma, first of all, may her soul rest in peace, but she was there. She really wanted me to get married, you see. Now I think the dream come true. Her dreams.
Hujaongezea plus the confusing vibe of this man. You had no otherwise.
Yeah, he's just so loving. Yeah, so you know, what do we say, mystery or what? Yeah.
Vibes.
Maybe na hiyo kunidanganya kidogo na ukweli kidogo.
Ati ni kudanganya.
A vibe lazima kuwe na uongo kidogo. Vibes ni like politics, ukiuza sera. Lazima tuambie fuel itashuka. Kisha ingia huko anaona ni hata unamwambia mamisi mambo ni ngumu hata wewe unaona peke yako.
Yeah, sure.
Mkubwa. 20 years down the line kitambo. Where did you see yourself you would be today? Ama did you expect all this?
Wow. Bro, you don't expect that even you yourself one day you might reach maybe in our place where we are now.
Exactly.
But when you put God first, everything will just be okay. I want to tell you, my wife has been very supportive. But even before that, when I was growing up, seeing how life was, people going through their life, I asked myself, maybe one day get married and maybe have kids of my own, or maybe even take them to school and maybe feel happy, something of the sort. I just didn't believe it until I came across the most beautiful. Thank you so much.
Mami rudi na nyuma hata sitaki hata kitu ikugonge hapa.
I came across the most beautiful, charming, loving, God-fearing woman, and I tell you, life has been so nice, so nice. I don't even complain.
I feel bad.
Yeah, you just feel bad, but that is the truth. The moment you have somebody who can support you in one way or the other, therefore, what do you expect? Yeah.
Mami,
No wonder. You see,
when I grow up,
right.
I'd like to be like you guys.
You're already grown now.
I'm still growing. I was told growing is a process. Unaona saizi?
Yeah.
When you meet, like, let's say, who do we know? Some even non-couple who are 70 years plus. Watu watakuita kijana wangu, you still have a long way to go.
Yeah.
Ukiwa na mimi naona you've gone the longest way. So growing up is a process.
Yeah, it's a process.
So ukirudi nyumbani kuna maybe your elder bros bado wanakuona ni mtoto.
Yeah.
Na nini.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm still growing up, mami.
Kwa mama lazima we ni mtoto.
Sana.
Yeah. Even if you're 50, 70, 80 until you die, we bado ni mtoto.
Ewe bado ni mtoto, wanakuita tu mtoto wangu.
Kwa dunia you are grown. See? After
That's
18.
a pinching reality.
Yeah.
So unasema I'm grown side.
Yeah, you're grown. Uko na ID. Uko na ID, si ndio?
Sasa nilichukua kitambo. Actually nimepitisha miaka mingi sana tangu.
You'll reach that point.
Umeanza kuchelewa sasa.
You reach that point.
Lakini siku hizi hata kusema kweli. You people see these things. Siku hizi the world imekuwa, hata sisi bibi mwenyewe tupate hiyo. Unapata msichana na kunywa pombe, hii kitu imejaa yote. Sijui time yenu pia walikuwa na kunywa hivyo pombe, ama pombe siku hizi ndio bei imepo.
Okay, upendo yako itamfanya abadilike. Unaona? Unaweza chukua hata chokora ama huyo mlevi, lakini the way utamtreat na kumwongelesha, yani do you know love wins everything. Hakuna kitu muhimu kama love and God. We know God first, lakini love pia it is second. So tuseme umepata huyo drunkard, you don't know what she is going through, ndio maana akafika hiyo stage, unaona. But if you take a step hiyo ya kumpenda, umwongeleshe, ukwe like her own personal counselor, imagine ata change. People will not imagine it, but
unajua it's risky. Unaweza chukua mlevi, ukue mlevi pia.
Bro, let me tell you, there are some characters, even if you try, to what extent, it's very difficult for them to change. Yeah, you can try your level best, you try, but you see, pia zingine zinakuwa cult. Unapata mtu wako ushago, wako nyumbani kwao watu ni walevi. You understand?
Unachukua shida za kwa
these ladies you meet around town or something. Bro, let me tell you, do your due diligence, and so you will know the best lady that you want to marry. This time around, if you want to marry, you are a young man. Yeah. Anytime you want to get into a relationship with a lady, and a serious one that will lead you to marriage, ask even the elders are around their place over there. First of all, you have to know, where is this lady coming from? Do your research. You go there by yourself without even telling her. Confirm, so and so, I want to be involved in a relationship. Or how do you ask them, and especially you ask the elders. Don't even ask the general, ask the elders, even their home background and whatever. That is when you know everything. But when you just meet in town here, you go happy around, up and down, only to end up with somebody you never expected in life. Hey, young man, that is the bitter truth. You understand the point I'm trying to put across?
Hapo nitapingana na baba nani kidogo. Hapo kwa kusema utajua, you can't know a person in just a few, you see? Mpaka venye mumeanza kukaa.
Nyinyi mlijuana aje ndio tupate solution. Nyinyi mlijuana aje ndio mkakaa hii miaka yote.
I knew my wife tulipatana kwa harusi. That is the bitter truth. I mean, when one of our friends was having a wedding in the church, so we were attending the church at the same time. And
Amisonga tu nyuma kidogo, naogopa hii lami sana.
I could see, you know, when people go for a function, that is the right time you also take an advantage. And so nilimuona, unaelewa. Yeah, sasa from there, so when we used to go to church, I took my time and
you did your assignment.
And I did my assignment. I told her how much I really feel about her, you see. And things went on like that. And after that, I think after a year or something, we dated for a year. Yeah, we dated for a year before we became married. We dated for a year. Wow. But vitu zingine, I just keep to myself as a man. I don't even want to, but that is the reality. I went to their place, confirmed the kind of lady she is up to now, and I was given go ahead. Wow. You see? Yeah. Really? I took the mantle by myself, and I said, wow, that is the best lady I wanted in my life.
Kuna something I always ask people.
Yeah, sure.
11 years down the line, you made your vows. Here you are a family, and bado mna proceed. Normally nikimeet watu kwa barabara, everything seems so sweet and smooth. But inafikanga, because we always do that challenge. Yeah. Actually, I've met a couple, the eldest couple nimemeet in this channel, wamekuwa for 21 years. So I think bado mko hapo top 10 bado. I've met 21 years, I've met 12 years, I've met 15 years, I think 16. Yeah. Sasa nyinyi, kuna place naulizanga nyinyi where mmefika. Are you that open to an extent? Is it one man, one wife, one husband? Ama mko na wale mpango wa kande yenye dadi akiwa kutu? Ile yenye nikiwaambia for instance ati unaweza toa simu kwa public mtu aone at least my only wife uko sure hakuna kaslay queen. Kwa hizi pia pa me, truth be told, we are facing a lot of challenges. Reason hata tuwezi wao ni wababas. Brother, wababas. You're very funny. Hata hawa ndio unapata ni wababas. Unapata wakishafika huko wamechoka na nyinyi wanakujia wetu. Tunang'ang'ana sana,
bro.
Watu wangu sidhani.
No, bro. That one depends. Yeah, it depends with the kind of treatment you are getting from the other party. Yeah, your other party. And truth be told, you will never just find a man having a mpango wa kando just for the sake of having a mpango wa kando. There must be something. Yeah, that's the truth.
Ushai consider that in your mind?
That is the truth, but
is the truth. Ushai consider.
For myself,
has it ever worked to you ile just open talk to, because saa zingine ka shetani ukuja ama saa zingine watu vurugana, maybe umeka consider, maybe ka wakukutolea stress kidogo,
bro. You know there are some things we can't just discuss on the road when we meet or something.
Yeah, but we are open to each other. I don't think
we are open. I haven't said we are not open.
Yeah.
Come on.
Have you ever considered? Good as something.
I trust him.
Have you ever considered as a man? By the way, I meet people on the street. People go through much. You know, even women, even men. People go through much. Na ni ngumu mtu asemange ukweli, but unapata saa zingine they just open up. Inafikanga mami, you can have a man normally. Okay, what I meet, maybe mshaisikia watu mkiadvise hata. You find a man umemari, ama married to you, mkishaza amechoka na wewe. That love, that chemistry is no longer there. So you consider even having other guys. Peter, you consider having other guys. It's also normal for a man. Unapata woman no longer love. Maybe ulimwoa kitambo juu alikuwa na pesa then. Then you can notice 5 years later kumbe ujamaa hana pesa, umepata kazi. Hata wewe sasa unaona ni ovyo. Unapata mwanaume anakuwa disrespected.
In fact, bro, I want to tell you that those things happen. And if my wife has been open and said maybe we discuss it over here, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, so you find
we have no secrets.
We have no secrets, and like I said, kuna vitu zingine zinafanyika of which me myself, I find myself they are not comfortable to me as a man.
Like what? I thought we were okay.
Acha tu waseme, unajua when someone opens up, it's always good to have such talks because that's the only way we can always know the truth. Pia kupanga watu ngumu ni ngumu.
Okay, it's okay.
Baby, okay, let me just say, when I got married to this lady, we stayed for some time, and things were just okay. But as years went by, she drastically changed.
What?
A change that I never expected. I know it's a shocker to you, but that is the truth.
Change ya kuna madharau.
And not really madharau, but you see, my wife has been so much inclined to religion. Yeah, so much until that thing has affected. Don't lie, it has affected us to some point whereby we've talked about it. Yeah, we've talked about it. I don't refuse religion is there, but yake na religion is too much. You understand?
Before he continues, do you know he has shocked me? Anyway, my brother, are you saved?
I'm saved.
You're saved.
I'm saved, yeah.
And what does the Bible say? God is everything, and we have to put him first. Then there is this saying that says, Okay, he's saying that I changed, but we married in church, you see?
No.
Okay, let me also talk. We married in church. I'm just performing like I'm protecting my family. I don't want to be lost in the world, you see? So even what did he say?
No.
We meet
No,
at
let me
the
interject.
wedding
Let me
ceremony,
interject.
you see?
Let me interject, bro. Fine, I understand what you're saying, but Mimi, we all love God, you see? But you don't go to an extent whereby you ruin even your relationship. To an extent, bro, whereby, do you know, you've totally brainwashed the kids.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you the truth. My kids no longer perform the way they used to perform. No, see, you said you speak the truth.
But
No. You said you speak the truth.
Yeah, let's
speak it here.
Okay.
The kids have been brainwashed.
Okay.
The kids no longer perform the way they used to perform.
The kids
Why?
go to school.
Because
we are paying the teachers. So what is my problem there at watoto wa perform vizuri? I'm also teaching them the Bible.
Bro.
Wajue Mungu.
now
Like,
did you hear that? Teaching the Bible.
Yeah.
Every night I don't refuse. I don't refuse, and I love God myself. But in a situation whereby the kids have come from school, instead of doing the homework that they're supposed to do, every day you find kids all eyes on the Bible, reading the Bible until I ask them, no, look at that. No, wait, honey. If it's going to be like this, if it's going to be like this,
we reply.
if it's going to be like this, then I don't think we are headed to the right direction.
Tuanze na the kids. What were you saying?
The kids have been brainwashed. Yani kids, they don't perform in school. Imagine my kid used to be number 1, number 2, top 5. And even that is something that is well known to teachers and even people around this place. Bro, I had money to take my kids to school. I had money to pay my rent and do all those stuff, food and everything. But the lady came up with some, I don't know whether it's a cult or something. I don't know how to explain. This house where we are, the house. Bro, do you see, I was even looking for some house somewhere over here, so that we can get another building. The wife is all over the house, making a lot of noise, praying even at the middle of the night. You see? How do you feel? You are a young man. Your wife is coming to wake you up. No. You've said we speak the truth, and this is the bitter truth. This is the bitter truth. Coming to wake me up early in the morning by 4. Sprinkling magic on me. How do you even feel yourself?
For your
Yet we are praying. Look at that.
For
my protection.
I'm protecting my family as a wife, as a good wife.
I can't accept such kind of things.
I'm protecting my husband as he goes to work, you know. It is a long
Ameanza hivi siku gani ama haikuwa hivi kitambo kimoja?
Bro, hizi vitu zimeanza around 2-3 years ago. You see? Yeah. And from there the kids just, because I was failing to understand. You know, when I came from work, I used to take kids through their homework and everything. But from there, right now when I get kids home, Bible. I asked her, why are you taking this kid to this direction?
Everything is possible.
You see? So you are so much into religion until kids cannot even go to school. Bro, as if that is not enough. Whatever I'm going through myself, as an individual, whatever I'm going through, if I tell you whatever I'm going through. Do you remember when we last had our conjugal rights?
No, but...
No. I'm asking you a question. Do you remember? Do you remember?
Which question is that?
No.
I'm always
you said we be open. You said we be open and say everything.
But that is a
2 good years down the line. You are a man. I'm a man. 2 good years down the line.
So that is a problem
without it.
to you.
Yeah, it's a problem to me. How do you think I feel?
Yeah. And you have decided to put it in the public.
Every time I call, Of course, you say we put everything.
I didn't know we were
No.
such issues.
You said we put everything. And this thing is affecting me.
But
as
these
an
are
entrepreneur.
just, hizi ni vitu za dunia.
Let me tell you, my wife was doing a good job. And I don't want to lie to you. Ask her, she's here. She was working with the ministry. I don't want to just state which ministry, but she was working with the ministry. But all of a sudden, she came home with a resignation letter that she was resigning. And I asked her, why? No, eti yeye ni mtu wa Mungu, anapenda Mungu, and therefore she wants to dedicate herself to the church. And
okay.
I asked her, are you serious? That is why you're resigning? Like right now, if I tell you, she's so much inclined to church than any other thing. Bro, I sold my car. Do you know she's the one who used to pay even our bills? I sold my car to meet our bills in the house. Take kids to school, pay rent, and do 1, 2, 3. Food, clothing, shelter, and everything.
You know,
kazi yake ni church.
You know, I respect
Church,
you.
how? Okay. Church, home. Mara, how do you feel when people are telling you all over the village that your wife is going to wake them up for prayers in the morning?
Oh my God. Naweza ongea kidogo? Praise God kwanza.
Amen.
Amen. Okay. Like what does the Bible say? Mwanaume si ni kichwa ya nyumba. See, he has to provide. Hii vitu anasema gari, watoto wa perform, sijui I was working. When it reached, there was something that happened to me. Kweli nikajua kama si Mungu mimi singekuwa. Unasikia? The accident that happened to me. Hapo ndio niliamkia nikajua kila kitu lazima ni Mungu. Unaona? Lazima kila ukipumua ni Mungu, ufanye nini ni Mungu. So why are you complaining? Do you know how much nakuombeanga tukienda huko milimani ni yeye tu naombea. Tukifanya nini? Yani ni familia yangu nimeweka tu familia yangu kwa akili.
I also remember so very well the Bible says that God helps those who help themselves. There is no way you expect God to come and put food on your table if you don't work for that food.
But you are
and it is even written in the Bible. Those who don't work should not. No. Those who don't work should not eat. And so am I the Bible? Am I God? So if you are so much inclined to the church activities more than even the work you do, you go to an extent of resigning from your job.
Unataka nianze kuwa mlevi? Unataka nianze kuwa mlevi?
I don't mean that. That's not what I mean.
Thank you. But just know that you can't change me.
Reason.
I decided from that day, na Mungu ndio kila kitu. Umesikia? You're my husband, yes. We have kids, yes. But everything, every time, just know that it is God who is leading us.
The kids, you've destroyed my kids. You've destroyed my kids to yourself.
How?
You've destroyed
my kids. They are going to school, bro. They are going to school.
They're not performing. Where? Bro,
the kids are going to school, but they also have to know God.
There are some things that you just don't know.
They say Christianity begins at home.
Have you met Mwalimu Margaret? Do you know what is going on in school? Do you know what is going on in school?
How will I know? I'm very busy.
Kids are not performing.
Spreading the gospel.
Did you hear that? Busy doing what?
Spreading the gospel, of course. Busy
spreading the gospel. Kids are not performing in school. You see? How do you feel if kids cannot perform even in school? It's not shocking. That's the truth.
I didn't even
to you, not to me.
That you
that is the reality of life.
Seriously, you against
from top 5, bro. My kid was in number 1, number 2, 3. Sana. Top 5. Right now, the kid is below 20. Over there.
Anajua nyota yao.
How do you expect the kid to perform when he comes home, instead of doing the homework, reading the Bible? As if Bible is the only thing. Do you see the way my wife is arguing? Did you hear her?
Is it bad to serve God?
If you bad to serve God.
Have you ever tried solving that easy vitu ama telling someone ama anyone kuwasaidia?
Bro, these are some nitty-gritties. You understand? These are some very, very, very... personal things that I even ask myself, how would I even go and start telling somebody I'm not getting satisfied because my wife is? I see that. I'm just considering some other things that myself, I'm the one who knows. I know it's a secret to you, but let me just keep it to myself.
You have shocked me enough.
No.
I didn't know that we can reach
Just
that.
say,
Just say it.
no.
Because
I feel it's too much for me. It's too much for me.
Because that are moving forward, what are we likely to do?
Yeah.
It's too much for me.
So you want to cry?
No, I feel a lot of pain. I feel a lot of pain.
Me too, because I didn't know that I can.
Me, I'm considering.
I pray for my partner. I know we are Christians, and yet you are against it. Do you want me to become a drunkard? You said no. Do you know how many men want ladies like me, to have a wife like me, who knows God, who does everything in God?
I prayed for a God-loving woman, and she was. But I didn't know it would reach this point, that it's too much. You don't think of anything else apart from church. Everything she speaks about is about church.
Imagine I'm almost becoming a senior pastor.
You see? People are even wondering, Bana, your wife has nothing to do. Early in the morning, coming to wake us
They
up.
are looking at material things. We
that?
will leave them.
Look at that.
Look at that. Hizi vitu za dunia. Hizi vitu haziwezi tupeleka mahali. Wacha tuangalie njia ya mbinguni.
I need to satisfy.
The road to heaven is narrow and slippery. The road to the heaven is narrow and slippery.
I want to be open to you. I'm considering a divorce.
It can't happen.
That is what today.
God forbid. It can't happen. The devil is a liar.
Just let God forbid.
The devil is a liar. God will save this
That is to you, no.
I'm telling you, the devil will not succeed.
It's too much. It's too much for me.
I will win this battle. You see, I will win this battle. The devil is a liar.
No.
Don't even think of it. Have I ever cheated on you?
No, I'm tired.
Have I ever cheated on you?
You've never cheated on me, but I'm not happy in our
That is the only point we can
relationship.
divorce. Yes.
I'm not happy.
So
I'm not happy in this relationship.
Because you
and
don't want to be
that's
happy.
what I mean.
You don't
I'm
want
not
to be happy. Hey,
No.
it is you who doesn't want to be happy. Don't I do for you?
It's too much for me.
Don't I do?
Bro.
Am I not a submissive wife?
Like I said,
there is no divorce, my
there are
friend.
some things
The devil
that
is a liar.
I will not allow to
The
happen in
devil
my
is a
life.
liar. God
You see?
will save this marriage.
My life first.
God will save this
My
marriage.
life first. My life.
Jesus
My
Christ.
life first. And my family, my
The
kids'
devil
life.
is a liar.
You see?
God
My
will
life,
save this marriage.
the life of my kids. Your life may become third.
Nothing will happen under God's
You understand?
watch that will destroy
No.
my marriage.
No. With me, that is what I've decided.
No, I
That
can't
is what
give
I've
you a
decided.
divorce. I
That is what I've
can't give
decided.
you a divorce. Just know that there is no divorce happening. And I will continue serving
Sorry,
God.
I'm sorry to tell you. I'm processing. I'm
you're
processing. I'm
what?
processing the papers.
You're lying to yourself.
I'm processing the papers.
devil is a
I
liar.
know you are not aware, but that is the truth.
The devil is a liar.
I just wanted to keep this secret, but now you
Eh.
said that we be open.
The devil is
That
a
is
liar.
that is the
There is no
truth.
divorce.
And are you sure of the decision you're making?
The devil is a liar. Please,
You asking
think
me if
again.
I'm sure?
Think
You
of
asking me
it.
if I'm sure? I'm telling you what I'm going to do as a man.
The devil is a liar.
You understand? Yeah.
Haiwezi.
I'm tired with this relationship.
Haiwezi.
There are very many ladies outside here. You understand?
But do they know God?
You understand?
Today. So umeamua kurudi kwa mambo ya dunia.
You get such kind of statements. It is do they know
Umeamua
God?
kurudi kwa mambo ya dunia
No,
sasa.
sio kwa mambo ya dunia. I just
sasa.
want to feel happy in this relationship.
Oh.
I want to feel happy.
Happiness
And
iko
if
tu
I'm not happy, God was not stupid.
Kwanza Bible yangu iko
God
wapi?
was not stupid.
Sasa ulitoa paka Bible
When
yangu
God,
kwa kibeti.
that is not my business. I don't want to know.
Okay.
God was not stupid. When God said,
Wacha
go thee
nikwambie,
and multiply,
hakuna furaha hapa
he was not
duniani.
stupid. To an extent you deny me my rights. In the name of God. Bro. In the name of God.
Blessed are those who knows God. Blessed are those who dwell in God's path.
Bro.
Wewe unataka kuwa na furaha hapa duniani kuliko mbinguni.
Itabidi we just call a specialist who can help us out.
Hakuna specialist hapa.
Even if you call a specialist with me, whatever I've decided, I've decided.
Lazima tuweke Mungu kwanza.
Hakuna mambo ya Mungu unaniambia.
Lazima hapa.
That God, I'm the one who love that God more than even the way you think. Bro, can I tell you one thing? Okay, let me just tell you here. Do you know what happened just a month ago? A woman, they're going for a conference, I don't know where. And from the conference, yeah, you my woman. Okay. You my wife. Okay. Yes. Huh? You want me to call you Mama Teddy? From the conference, they go to some mountains. I don't know which mountain.
For protection.
They're going. Did you hear that?
For his protection.
Huh? You leave your family behind. You leave your family behind every day just like that. Instead of saying you are going for that protection and then you bring something home for people to eat, you bring something home for people to vow, you bring something home so that something that
alikuwa anatembea na miracles.
Did you come with food?
Unajua maombi yangu venye nimekulinda.
Did you come with food?
Unajua
from your mountain, did you come with food?
Huwezi kuja na chakula.
Did you come with food?
Mungu Yesu naye
hapa. Bro, I'm telling you there are a lot of things. There are a lot and a lot of things. Unaelewa? A lot of things.
Si alikuwa analeta miracles.
Going for that conference, unasikia tu wamebranch siji kwa some mountain they are going to pray over there.
Yes.
I think that. And every Friday.
Protect
every Friday, bro.
Am I lying? Eyes.
Am I lying? Every Friday, kesha. Unaelewa? Mambo ya
kesha. Huyu watu wake ushago ni kama ameamuka.
Bro.
Hakuwa hivi. Ni kama watu wale watu wako wamemwamukia.
A woman is not doing the house chores. Going to do the church.
Hizi ni vitu za tutafanya nini? Si tutaziwacha.
Do you know, if I tell you one thing, I even go to an extent of washing my kids' clothes. And the woman is there. Every time you tell her, church, naenda kuosha kanisa. Sijui mara eti leo, sijui eti tuko na Bible study wapi. Sijui mara, sijui eti women conference, church women conference where. So it is from Monday to Monday. Monday to Monday. A weekend when you are supposed to enjoy with your wife, when you are supposed to enjoy with your family in the house, church, meeting, call it.
Mimi najua hapa duniani hakuna furaha. There is no happiness here. Ni lazima tutengeneze njia yetu ya kuenda mbinguni na huko ndio tutafurahia milele.
This is enough for it.
Na ujue hakuna divorce na kupea mimi.
This is enough for
There is no divorce. I
have decided. And that is my resolve.
You have decided, but we have not. So you're going.
What do you want to do? You're supposed to leave.
Acha nikwambie brother. What you will do. He was not like this. Ni watu wa ushago wake I think wameamuka. The devil is a liar. Mungu ameanani sasa shetani ameamua kupigana na nyumba yangu. Lakini wacha nikwambie. Wewe okoka. Wacha Mungu akuwe Mungu. Na hakuna kitu itabaya. Hata vile saa hii tuko hapa hivi. Kama si Mungu hatuwezi kuwa. Sijui kama unajua hiyo. And blessed are those who dwell in God's path. Umesikia? Vitu za dunia hata siwezi mfuata. Wacha aende. Lakini uokoke. Uokoke mkesi.
Ponda na malizanga ati hawezi convince monkey asali ni tamu kuliko ndizi. Nikati hiyo kitu.